trading with my best friend, Azea Grace. Say hi.
Hi.
So what do you want to? So what do I have that you want to have, but you can't like keep it. Like you're we're just fake keep it. What do you want?
I would take the bunny for the popcorn.
I'm gonna decline but if you add the pig mochi but took off the popcorn, that would be good. I would have the pig mochi.
How about my popcorn and my pig mochi?
You get yourself a deal.
Right.
Oh no.
My popcorn for my teddy.
Okay.
Now take your bunny and your mouse and your
Oh wait, so now it's my turn to ask. So I'll trade this pink mochi, this cushion. No, actually, I'll trade this and this for that poppet.
Deal.
Yay! I got 2 poppets. I'll trade this popcorn squishy for that pig mochi. The pig one. Oh man, you declined the trade. I'll give you this bear mochi for that pig mochi.
Deal.
Yeah. I'll trade this pink cat mochi for the rabbit mochi. Yes. Now, oh wait, I think we know why the bunny's so annoyed. Look. The pig just keeps riding his back.
I would take my pig emoji.
Okay, but well, you have to trade to me for it.
Okay. I would take my pig emoji for this blue thing and this.
You have yourself a deal. I'll trade I'll trade this hexagon poppet, this paw print, and this hedgehog for the mouse and the pink cat and the pig.
What's the favorite flavor one?
Okay, fine. Just deal. And the teddy bear.
Deal.
Yeah. Yes, baby is right. This video is like 2
I would
minutes.
take this thing for the poppet, the print, and the cake.
Deal. Big deal. You overpaid so much. Like when you overpay, that means like my thing was like more worthless than yours. So like yours is more valuable. Valuable means like more precious. So like
okay, that's your turn.
I'll trade this pink hand poppet, this popcorn squishy, and this paw print cushion for the rabbit. Aww. You want your pig back? Okay. So you decline.
How about with a 3-star? Okay, a 3-star. Okay, right, Tori?
Wait, no. This one's mine. This one's yours. This is mine.
No, I got it.
That was mine. No, in the beginning that was mine. And this one was mine. Oh wait, I had this one. No, it's okay.
Can I please get this?
No, like.
Can I have that for the pig?
Okay. First trade accepted.
Okay, ready, take up.
Okay, so I will trade this rabbit mochi for the pink cat.
Deal.
Yeah. Did you know that all these except the pink cat and the mouse are glow in the dark? We'll have to check them out later. So
I'll say the tennis for my poppet, my squishy, and like this.
You have yourself. No deal. I want the rabbit and the pig. So you're gonna have to. So you're going to have to try and pick something else.
I squishy, I pop it,
Add the rabbit.
And my rabbit.
Sure way. Do you want this?
This.
No, I don't want to give away my pig. I want my pig and my rabbit. Okay, fine. Just take it for free. I don't care. Take the pig for free. I don't care. At least I have the money.
Okay. Tori.
Actually, I didn't accept the trade, so you have your money back. So I'm gonna trade this hexagon puppet.
Okay.
This. I'll trade all my fidgets for the pig and the rabbit. So what do you want from me? But you have to
take your hexagon.
It's a hexagon.
Your hexagon.
It's a hedgehog.
I will take these for the pig. Yes.
I decline the trade. You have to pay more. My fidgets are running out.
Okay, now my turn.
So what do you want from me? Oh wait,
I'll take your puppet for the pig, this emoji, and my teddy bear.
You have yourself a deal. Oh, yes. Give me my puppet. Give me my puppet.
Hey.
You gave that to me. Oh wait.
No, I did.
Okay. Yeah. Oh wait, no, my puppet. Wait, look. Okay, so I have a feeling that you gave this to me. I'm gonna hold on to you for keeps.
Oh, they're back. Let's go. Let's go try to have we physics rated.
Okay, we'll be back, y'all. We'll be back. Okay, so we're restarting. So this is my puppet. This. Okay, so.
Okay, you ready? Let's go.
Wait. So we have to have a limit amount of fidgets. So let me count how many fidgets there are on one. I'm not gonna take all of them for myself. The game doesn't start yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, no, no.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so yours, mine.
Hey, I want a piggy.
Okay, so let's pick. So pick one. Pick one out of all of these figures on the table.
Okay.
The pig. Okay, so 2, 4. 2. Okay. I want it. You have 4. Okay.
Okay, go. You have this.
Okay, actually, Pups and Squishy, that's gonna be unfair if I have more than you because we have to both have the same amount. So we'll just
how about I just have to pop with Squishy? You get one more thing.
No.
Okay.
Bye. No.
Okay.
Okay. Let's fidget trade.
Ooh, bah.
So I'll trade this. This mouse and this and my hexagon puppet for the pig.
Yep.
For the blue sheep.
Nope.
And the puppet.
Nope.
Just the puppet.
Nope.
Okay,
now my turn.
So, tickets you want? Okay, so what do you have to say for it, Buster?
The puppet. My pig. That's it.
You have yourself a big one. So what we want to trade, we put it right here. That way we know if we're trading it. Yes, I got the bunny. I got the piggy. I got 2 puppets. Yes, and cheese is stuck with no cheese. Okay, so what do you want from me?
I would think I would think the parakeet and the bunny.
Okay.
For your big papa. Yeah.
No, I want this thing with my hedgehog.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
You want one of these puppets?
Sure, I'll take my papa back for for the bunny.
Deal.
That's already started.
So guys, we're gonna do a part 2 of this. Peace out.